I'm making black beans and rice today, finally. Look. Look. Yeah. And it's gonna be tasty. Yeah, I can smell it already because I'm using Eckrich kielbasa. I need to make a trip to the store. I was revisiting my vlog from last year. As you can see, September 21st, 2013. It is now September 21st, 2014. And look! Eggnog! Oh my goodness! Eggnog! I had eggnog this time last year. I gotta go to the store. It's Lucerne too. Holy cow. Oh, baby Jesus. I need to go to the store. Not only do I still need to get a D battery and some AA's for Rob the Robot to play Gyromite, but I need eggnog. But the pre-show, the Night of Champions, starts in 30 minutes. I'm running out of time to do stuff. I need an oil change. I need to take my car to the car wash. But I got tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm going to meet up with Krista. But Krista's got something. How much time are we going to spend together? Ah! No! Darn it! Ah! Need more time! More time! More time! Ugh!
Going into your stomach, and his was much
We did! Honey girl!
Which means his small intestine is
calm down now.
Through his abdominal wall, and that's
WWE Network, Night of Champions. Yeah.
Said, I mean, the tissue
We did! Honey girl!
That you need to make sure it's fully healed before you.
Yeah, me too.
Have either of you dealt with that?
I've never dealt with a hernia, no, but it goes to credit. I know how painful these can be, and it goes to credit how what a raw dog Roman is. Because this is probably something that was heard from
Honey girl!
He's one of those kind of guys that sucks it up,
Yeah.
that gets the job done. In this situation,
Happy dog is happy. Drooly dog is drooly.
To get healthy, to come back stronger. And
She's not cross-eyed, it just looks like she is with the weird color eyes, so. Good Holly girl.
Could have that part of that intestine removed if it had gotten worse. Right now, everything is on the up and up. He's healed, things are doing well.
Ew, drool. Why are you drooling so much? It's not hot. Crazy. Just when I thought it couldn't be any more possible for you to look pitiful, you go and do this. What are you doing, Holly? How is that comfortable? Here, let me. Yes. You like the pets. Get that leg going. It's late, it's dark, it's spooky, it's ghouls and ghosts time! Dun 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 dun. Yeah. And I'm making pudding right now too. Chocolate pudding. Let's see, where's that Genesis controller? Hello, Genesis. There it is. Whoa. There goes the Xbox controller. Awesome. Alright, let's do this. Ghouls and ghosts. I have completely determined that this axe is useless. I screwed up so bad. Oh man, this sucks. This axe goes up in a diagonal fashion. I can't hit these turtles. Come on! Oh. Oh! I can't get past the turtles. I need my sword back. I can't do it. It's like, don't even bother with the turtles. Just go. God! Hey, oh, chest! I can't even get the chest. Turn around. Oh, for crying out loud. Just run. Just run, man. Run. Just go. Go. Get through it. Go. Go. Ignore it. Ignore everything. Just go, man. Careful. Careful. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no. I blame this all on the axe. I can't do it. I'd be better off restarting the game. I probably could have gotten to the same part again and I'd have the sword instead of this axe. The axe goes through the turtles. I can't do it. This is a really dark vlog, isn't it? Like, dark as in you can't see anything. That's okay. I finished playing Ghouls and Ghosts and I ended up watching another episode of Doctor Who. So I'm about 5 episodes away from finishing season 3, which is not bad. I went ahead and I took a look anyway, and it looks like I have all episodes up until season 7. Well, up until season 8, I should say. I have through season 7, but when I hit season 8, which is the most recent, looks like I gotta buy episodes. So, I don't know. We'll figure out a way to watch them. What I need to do is I need to get Dish installed here. Then, because with the package America's Top 250, I'll have BBC America, and I believe Doctor Who airs on it, so I should be good. But other than that, that's pretty much all I've got. Tomorrow, it's going to be a good day. I can promise you that. So, I'm going to go to bed. I will see you then. Good night. Good morning.